Hey, what's up everyone? So today in this video what we're going to be doing, what I'm going to be doing is cleaning this Xbox controller, Xbox One controller. As you can see, it's very dirty. It's got crap everywhere. I can imagine what it's got inside too. Around here, it just, ew. You see that crust build up? There, we got some crust build up. So what we're going to do is take it apart, not fully, but enough to clean it. And what I'm going to be using is some Q-tips, some toothpicks, just to like scrape out the dirt, rubbing alcohol, and to open it, you're going to need a screw. And the screw in question is this. It is a T8, Torx 8-bit. So that's what you're going to need to open up the controller. Like I said, I'm not going to break it down 100,000%, but we'll get into it. So first thing I want to do, I'm just going to take this toothpick and just go around here and try to, ew. Blow all that crap off. I'm going to go through it one more time just real quickly, and then we'll get to the next step. So we're going to go to the next step. Like, look, even these buttons, man. Like, if you can see the buttons, look at that, just like nasty buildup on them. So we're going to try to get this looking a lot better than that. This I can't really fix because it just wore off, as you can see there, but it is what it is. So what I'll do is I'll pop the back open, remove the batteries. Now when you do that, there's a sticker in there, and in the middle of that sticker there's a screw. So in order to access it, you're gonna have to remove the sticker. So I'm gonna get this toothpick because I don't really have nails, and just pry at the sticker until I get it loose enough. There we go. So that I can use my finger. This would help so much more if you had like nails. Like if you're a chick with long nails, it's easy. So we're gonna take that sticker. Now you can, I can like put it back if I want to, but fuck, excuse my language. But after you remove it, you'll see the screw in there in question. So there's that one Torx screw in the middle. And now what I'm going to do is just take this bit and loosen it. So that came out. Now there is two more screws. One's on this side and one is on this side. If you have nails, it's kind of easy to open, I guess. I can try with this, but usually I use a butter knife because it's a lot easier for me with a butter knife. So I have good old butter knife. And then right there, like at the bottom, you see that? That's where I'm gonna like insert it. Here I feel like it's harder to do it from here, so I start at the bottom and then like work my way. So I can put this little butter knife in there. The lap, I think that might be easier because of that position. It's not allowing me to do it how I want to do it. There we go, goddamn, bud. So don't be scared to apply force, man. You're not gonna like, ew. You're not gonna like ruin it. Oh my god, look at my hand, dude. It's got all that nasty crap on it. Look at here. So that's all built up in there. That's all nasty in there. And then there's a screw there that you can remove as well. Now I'm gonna have to get this side open. Ah! This is why I say use a butter knife, because that dug into my goddamn nail. Okay, we're going from the top this time, because the bottom, I don't know what the hell happened. But pry it in and pop it open. Should be able to pop it open like that. That's super dirty as well. Super dirty as well, as you can see. Ew. So now I rub all this crap down. I'm gonna take the rubbing alcohol. Sorry. Dip it into here. Just gonna clean around here a bit. You can see how dirty it gets. And we're gonna do this side. She looks a lot cleaner now there. It's like way cleaner. I guess we could try to open it up even more. So there's those Torx screws. There's one here, and I believe there's one at the bottom as well, on both sides. So I've removed the one in the middle. We're going to remove these two. Okay, so now when we do that, what I'm going to do is hold it like this and lift it like this. That screw's still in there. It's bugging me. Hold on, let me take that boy out. There we go. And I hold it like that, lift this off. As you can see, even that's pretty dirty in there. So I'm going to clean that as well. It's going to dry out, but yeah, looks way better than it did last time. Still some wet spots, but it'll dry out. Now this one we'll clean the inside of as well before we get into there deeper. Okay. There's that one that we cleaned. Okay. Now we have the controller here. This got like some gunk on it. I don't know if you guys will see, but I'm going to go over this rubbing alcohol for sure. I don't know if you guys can see that there, the way it's switching color. You see that? Looks a lot different in person, like there. So I'm gonna go over that because it looks like something got spilled into it a bit. Now I will take that apart like that, lift it up, put it here. I'm gonna clean the inside of this. See, it's gunky as well. God damn, this video is taking long, man. I'll probably speed it up. All right. So this is still a little wet, but it's way cleaner. You could eat off of it inside. So that's done. These around the motors, I don't really care about. The buttons I want to clean up here though. Like these buttons are a little gunky. I don't know if you can really see, like there, yeah. So I want to clean that crap. But I think that might be better to do when I put it back together, to be honest with you. So I'll flip it over here. And this is what it looks like there. I'm just going to go through here a little bit. And I'm going to start putting it back and clean the outside completely. Then we'll be done. Okay, so I went over this as much as I could. We're gonna put the faceplate back, like so. Make sure it clips in proper. Flip it over. We got this bad boy. So this, you're gonna have to go in like this. Put the teeth in. I would suggest, or I would think. No. There we go. So that's how you should line it up. Those teeth should line up at the top. In other words, you should line up actually these holes so you're able to put the screws in. But I'll go back and put in one of the screws. We're gonna close it up, clean the outside. It's gonna be good as new. Put that sticker back. Now what we're gonna do, put these batteries back real quick. Excuse me. Put this, close this. Now we can put these bad boys back on. Line it up and make sure it aligns to the lines like that, and just push it in, clip it, boom. Get the other one, make sure it's aligned, push it in, boom. Now make sure everything works. So that works, that works, that works, that works. I can press that. This works, this works, this works, this works, this works, this works. Okay, so everything works. The only thing is to clean the outside. All right, so that's how you clean the controller. It's more or less like brand new. Here, there's no more gunk and crap. Here, it's pretty good. Through the sides, it's pretty good. Back is nice. Clean. Clean. So that's how I do it. Hope that helps you guys out. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.